Good morning students, welcome to session 12 on matrices. So in this session we are going to study about some more examples on non-homogeneous system of equations. So in the last class we have seen the definition of a non-homogeneous linear equations. So as we have seen, this is non-homogeneous linear equations means here the RHS is not equal to 0. RHS of any one equation, at least one equation's RHS is not equal to 0. Let us take some more examples on non-homogeneous system of equations. Solve x plus 2y minus 3z is equals to minus 4, 2x plus 3y plus 2z is equals to 2, 3x minus 3y plus minus 4z is equals to 11. So since here it is a non-homogeneous system of equations, therefore you have to find the augmented matrix. So augmented matrix means it is the combination of both coefficient matrix and RHS. A colon B is equals to, this is the coefficient matrix 1, 2, minus 3. And RHS is minus 4. Similarly, second equation and third equation, coefficients of x, y, z and RHS. So, you have to convert this one into echelon form here. Echelon form, I hope all of you know this. Apply this is row operations and make this one into echelon form. So, that is here you have to make these two elements 0 first. That is R2. R2 contains here 2. To make this one 0, you have to change R2. R2 changes to R2 minus 2 times of R1 because we have 1 here. 2 into 1 becomes 2, 2 minus 2 becomes 0. Therefore, you have to change R2 changes to R2 minus 2 times of R1 and R3 changes to R3 minus 3 times of R1 because here we have 1. So, 3 minus 3 becomes 0. First row you write as it is. Second row, we are changing second row here. R2 changes to R2 minus 2 R1. No? First element you know, first element is here like this here. That is here 2 minus 2 times of R1. R1 is 1. So 2 minus 2 is 0. First element is 0 here. And next element here, this is R2 is 3 minus 2 times of R1. R1 is the element above this one here 2. 2 minus 3 minus 4 is minus 1. This element you will get. Next is here 2 minus 2 times of R1. R1 is minus 3. So it is 2 minus into minus plus 2 plus 6 is 8. And last element here, this is 2 minus 2 times of minus 4. So 2 minus into minus plus 8. 2 plus 8 is equals to 10. So we will get this line. Similarly, third row we are changing here. Third row minus 3 times of first row. 3 minus 3 is 0. Minus, so next element is minus 3 times of 2. Minus 3 minus 6 it is. You simplify using the same like this only how to simplify. You will get here minus 9, 5 and 23. You simplify yourself, you will get this definitely here. So next is we want to make this element is 0. So for that it is in R3. We are changing R3. R3 changes to R3 plus 9 times of R2 here it is. That is because both are having same sign. No, it is not. So if you plus means it will not, you will not get a 0 here. It should be minus only here. R3 minus 9 times of R2. It is not plus. So what will get here? This is 0 minus 0. That is a minus 9 times of R2. R2 is minus 1. So it is minus into minus plus 9 plus minus 9 plus 9 is 0. It is not plus, it is minus. Make correction here. In the notes also make it correction. So it is not R3 minus R3 plus 9 R2. It is R3 minus 9 R2. Similarly, next element is also same here. R3 is 5 minus 9 times of R2. R2 is 8. So how much it is? 5 minus 72. It is 5 minus 72 is minus 67. Similarly, it is same here. 23. It is 23 minus 9 times of 10. 23 minus 90. 23 minus 90 is equals to minus 67 you will get here. See here. So this is the combination of A and B here. A colon B it is. A colon B here. We cannot make these two elements 0 at a time here. If you make this element 0, then here you will get one more number. Therefore here rank of this matrix A colon B is 3. That is there are 3 non-zero rows in this matrix. Similarly, only this much is what here? Only this much is A. So rank of this matrix A. Again here also we have 3 non-zero rows. So कौन सा भी रो में पूरा 0 नहीं है. So therefore here rank of matrix A is also equals to 3. So what we have here, rank of AB is equals to rank of A is equals to 3. 3 is what here? 3 is the number of unknowns, because here we have x, y, z, 3 unknowns. So it is rank of AB is equals to rank of A, it is equals to 3, the number of unknowns. So this is the condition in which system has unique solution. If rank of AB is equals to rank of A and it is equals to number of unknowns, then the system has unique solution. Only one solution it has. Then the reconstructing the system of equations from this A colon B. So it is x plus 2y minus 3z is equals to minus 4. And second equation is minus y plus 8z is equals to 10. And the third equation is minus 67 is z is equals to minus 67. So from third equation what we have here? Minus 67 get cancelled, z is equals to 1. And equation 2 implies substitute z is equals to 1 in equation 2. It is minus y plus 8 is equals to 10. So it is equals to minus y is equals to 10 minus 8 is equals to 2. That is y is equals to minus 2. Substitute y equals to minus 2 and z is equals to 1 in equation 1. You will get x. So x is equals to, from this equation, x equals to what we have? Minus 4 minus 2y plus 3z. Substitute all the values. Minus 4 minus 2y, y is minus 2 plus 3 into z is 1. Simplify this, you will get here x equals to 3. So thus we have x equals to 3, y is equals to minus 2 and z is equals to 1 is the required solution. Let us take one more example. Find the value of lambda for which the system x plus y plus z is equals to 1, x plus 2y plus 4z is equals to lambda, x plus 4y plus 10z is equals to lambda square is consistent and hence solve. So here, since the given system is non-homogeneous, therefore the augmented matrix is again same. A colon B is equals to, write the coefficient matrix 1, 1, 1, 1 and it is 1, 2, 4 and lambda. It is 1, 4, 10 lambda square. Again it is also same. You make these two elements 0. So we have to change R2. R2 changes to R2 minus R1 and R3 changes to R3 minus R1. So first row as it is. Second row we are changing, second row minus first row. 1 minus 1 0. 2 minus 1 is 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. Lambda minus 1. And R3 changes to R3 minus R1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. 4 minus 1 is 3. 10 minus 1 is 9. It is lambda square minus 1. So now again here we can make this one 0 here. So R3 changes to R3 minus 3 times of R2. So we have here first row as it is, second row as it is, third row we are changing, third row minus 3 times of second row. 3 minus 3, 0. 9 minus 3 into 3, 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. So next you have to simplify this. This is what here? R3, no? It is R3 is lambda square minus 1. Minus 3 times of R2. R2 is what? Lambda minus 1. Simplify this. This is lambda square minus 1 minus 3 lambda minus into minus plus 3. So what we get here? This is lambda square minus 3 lambda plus 2 it is. You will get this one. So now clearly rank of this matrix A. So matrix A is only this much here before colon. So rank of this matrix is 2 because here in this matrix we have only 2 non-zero rows. So rank of this matrix is equals to 2. And so what is given here? System is what here? It is given that system is it is find the value of lambda for which the system is consistent and hence solved. So it is consistent means it has a solution. So it has a solution means here rank of A is equals to rank of AB is equals to 2 here. It should be 2. Then only it has a solution. So it is because here consistent means consistent means what here? Rank of A is equals to rank of AB. Then only it has a solution. So rank of A is 2 we have here. So rank of AB must also be equals to 2. Therefore this must be 0 here. Lambda square minus 3 lambda plus 2 is equals to 0. Factorize this. I hope you know factorization. So first number and last number you have to multiply. It is 1 into 2 is 2. Multiplication is 2 and sum is minus 3. How to find such numbers here? That is minus 2 into minus 1. Minus 2 into minus 1 is minus plus 2 and minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. So it is lambda square minus 2 lambda minus lambda plus 2 is equals to 0. Take lambda common here. It is lambda minus 2 minus 1 common. Lambda minus 2 is equals to 0. It is lambda minus 1 into lambda minus 2 is equals to 0. This implies here lambda equals to 1 and lambda is equals to 2. So that is here lambda equals to 1 and 2 are the system is the system is consistent, and since lambda this is rank of A is equals to rank of AB is equals to 2, that is the number of less than the number of unknowns. For these two values here, system is consistent. That is lambda equals to 1 and lambda is equals to 2. So half part is over. You have to find the solutions also here. Only here you found only lambda value. So next you have to find the solution also here. The system has infinite and the system has here unique solution. It is system has unique solution, not infinite, because here they are equal, no? So they are equal and less than the number of unknowns. So it has how many solutions? Wait, it is not infinite, it is infinite solution only. It is infinite solution, not unique, because here it is less than the number of unknowns, so it has infinite solutions only. So let us take here when lambda is equals to 1, then equation 1 implies, equation 1 is here a colon b is equals to, that is here 1 1 1 colon 1, and last step of here a colon b. So it is like this here. And reconstructing the system of equations, we have here x plus y plus z is equals to 1 and y plus 3z is equals to 0. From last equation what we have here, y is equals to minus 3z. So and equation 1 implies here x is equals to 1 minus y minus z. Substitute the value of y is minus, it is again same as we have done in previous examples. So it is 1 minus of minus 3z minus z. So it is 1 plus 2z. Here we have only two equations in 3 unknowns. So you have to take one constant arbitrary here. So choose z is equals to k arbitrary. So that here, so that is here x is equals to 1 plus 2k1 and y is equals to minus 3k1 and z is equals to k1 is the required solution. We have taken here k1 because here we have to find one more value, no? So next is when lambda is equals to 2. Then equation 1 implies here what? A colon b is equals to, same it is also. So this is again same here, x plus y plus z is equals to 1, y plus 3z is equals to 1. So this implies here y is equals to 1 minus 3z. And here you have to choose z is equals to k2 is arbitrary and x is equals to same 1 minus y minus z. Simplify this, you will get here 2z here. So in the previous example what we have here, it is here RHS was 0, no? So here it is RHS, this one, this term you will get here 1, because here this is here what we have lambda minus 1, no? So when you put lambda is equals to 2, it is lambda minus 1 is equals to 1 you will get here. So and x is equals to 1 minus, from this equation x equals to 1 minus y minus z, and simplify this you will get 2z, and x is equals to, here you have to choose here again z is equals to k2. So this implies here x is equals to 2k2, y is equals to 1 minus 3k2 and z is equals to k2 is the required complete solution. So this type of example you have done previous session also, so don't get confused here. If you have this one, if the rank of the matrix AB is less than the is equals to rank of A, which is less than the number of unknowns, then it has infinite solutions. So this we have done, this you studied already here. Take one more last example. This is very important example. It is, this one is important example. Find for what value of lambda and mu the system x plus y plus z is equals to 6, 2x plus 4y plus 6z is equals to 20, x plus 2y plus lambda z is equals to mu has a unique solution. Second one is infinite solution and third one is no solution. So this the explanation of this problem I'll give in the next session, because here, so this one is first you just go through this one. So today only I have given the notes, no? So you just go through this one. In the next session I will explain about this one here. Because it will take lots of time to explain this one. So I'll give this is a detail session, detail about this one in the next session. So these are all the assignments. You just go through these assignments here. So these are the problems. You just go through these problems, solve yourself. You will get the solutions very easily. So this is all about the today's session. In the next session, I am going to solve the this previous example and one more example also. So thank you for watching this. Thank you.